In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text with images in WordPress. This is a great skill to enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more engaging and easy to navigate for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll start by creating a new post or selecting an existing one where you want to align text with images. Once you have your post opened up, you'll need to ensure you're in the visual editor. The visual editor is straightforward and user-friendly, offering a range of tools that simplifies the process of formatting your content. Next, place your cursor where you want to add your image. To upload your image, click on the Add Media button located just above the editing toolbar. This will open the media library where you can either select an existing image or upload a new one from your computer. Once you've picked your image, you'll be directed to the Attachment Details screen. Here, you can find several alignment options. You can choose from None, Left, Center, or Right alignment. Each option dictates where your text will be positioned relative to the image. For instance, selecting Left will place your image on the left and wrap the text around to the right. After selecting the appropriate alignment, look below the alignment settings. You'll find fields to add a title, caption, and description to your image. Adding these details not only helps with search engine optimization but also enriches user experience by providing more context about your image. Once satisfied, click Insert into Post. As you go back to the visual editor, you'll be able to see how the text wraps around your image. It's important to check the flow of the text to ensure readability and aesthetic appeal. Sometimes, you might need to adjust the alignment to see what works best in your context. If you need to make further adjustments, simply click on the image within the editor. A mini toolbar should appear, allowing you to change the alignment or edit image settings. If your theme supports it, you can explore advanced image settings by clicking the Edit button. This is particularly useful if you need to adjust image size or add custom styles for better responsiveness across different devices. Before wrapping up, preview your post to see how it looks live on your site. It's crucial to ensure everything aligns perfectly and looks just the way you want it. Once satisfied with the look and feel, you can go ahead and publish your post, confident that your content is visually appealing and neatly organized. Thank you for watching.